Everybody, welcome back. How are you doing? Let me get my seat here. Put on my feet. Alrighty, I have got a little haul, and it's not fall, well, kind of fall related, not, but it's more a miscellaneous haul. How's that? So I've been going through all of my planner stuff. I've been trying to get organized. Trying. So I dug out my planner bag that I have right there on the floor. You see it right there. And that's all I have for my planner stuff. That's it. I have a bag underneath my desk that has my old planners in it and some extra like miscellaneous papers, whatever, that I'm going to use up. I'm going to try to use up, make them work, whatever. So anyway, I was down to my post office this morning, and there's a table in there, so if people don't want anything, they can put it in there. It's kind of, I call it my thrift table. Well, today, somebody put in some planner items. Let me find the pack, the top of it. I'll show you. And it's just a mini binder insert kit. And it has some note paper and some separators. Well, I'm not going to use the separators, I'll use something else for those. But the notebook paper that's in here, I'm going to fandangle for my, this is my Webster's Pages personal size. I've got a couple of these. I've got my Christmas ones, the big one and the small one. I got this white one, and I believe I have a big yellow one. And I wanted to get a little more organized. Instead of taking a notebook pad of paper with me shopping when I go grocery shopping, I want something that looks a little better, smaller, it's easier to put in my purse or whatnot. So I'm like, why don't I make use of my old, it needs to be clean, this is white, and it's kind of leather, it's not that pleather stuff where you can wipe it off. So anyway, I went through my stuff and I found a couple of cute little separators. This one just says write it down, but I thought I would use my extra notepad that I have and write my grocery lists on there. And I have these little pad of papers I keep a running total as I go. I kind of round it up. And I just thought I would start using this so it's a little smaller. I might end up having to use 2 pages at some point or whatever, but usually I go grocery shopping, it's not much bigger than this. And I thought I would make use of all the old papers that I have. And so there's some different line paper in here and everything. And the notebook that I have is, you know, the college ruled one, whatever, 8.5 by 11, it's big. So if I need more paper, I can cut it down. I have a personal punch. But this notebook paper, since it was free to me, I don't have one of these notebooks, 3-ring notebooks to use, and that's actually kind of big. I'd rather keep it small. And I'm just gonna re-punch the holes in this notebook paper and use it for in here. And I think it'll work. I might have to fold it up a little bit, which is fine because I can make use of the extra little piece, but I got a piece out here. I'm gonna try it and see if that works for me. Second one, I found these at my Family Dollar. I went in there to get dog bones and went through the school supply stuff and found some of these. These are cute. Bic Intensity markers, fine liners. And there's kind of the rainbow colors. I like the black one. It says 0.4 millimeters, so I'm saying that's really a fine point. So this would be perfect. I write big, so when I use a pencil, I'll show you in my content planner thing. I mean, I'm trying to do better, but to write down, I mean, my writing is kind of big. So if I use a smaller line pen, maybe it'll look nicer. So I did grab these. We'll see how they are. Let's open them up. Let's see what this pen looks like. Ooh, that's cool. Oh yeah, so it's way good, and it doesn't bleed through. It says that they're not supposed to bleed. So these are cool. So they are the Bic Intensity Fine. So the next thing I want to show you is, I got it in the mail today from Amazon. I am a crafty person. When I was in college, I took a watercolor art class. You had to take a extra class, so I took that. It was drawing and a painting class, so it was drawing and painting. And my daughter, that lives about 40 minutes from me, said, "Mom, do you want to go to a painting class?" And I'm like, "Yeah, sure. I've got some paint." She says, "No, you don't need anything, just come." So it brought back what I've learned and stuff. So this was back in 2016, and it's watercolor. And this is my painting I did. And it was really cute. These are made, this kind of texture thing right here is made using sugar, or is it sugar or something in water, and it makes it kind of spurt out. But I don't have a frame for this, and I want to hang it up. I'm not sure where I want to hang it up, but I want to hang it up. So it's my sunflowers and stuff. I don't know if I'll hang it in here or over in the nursery over there for my dolls. I'll probably have it in here somewhere. But I needed it. This canvas is 16 by 20, so I needed a frame. So I went on to Amazon to see what they had that wasn't expensive, and this one was the cheapest one I found. And it's I wasn't sure how to order it, so it's 16 by 20. So my painting should fit inside here. It's going to. Oh, I'm so excited. I can finally frame it so it doesn't get ruined. So this has like a gray wood border, which I really like. A lot of my flooring upstairs and stuff is gray. So yeah, we're gonna put this in. So let's put it in and see how it comes out. You can do this with me. Shouldn't take too long. It shouldn't take too long. And we'll just, oh, they just slide in. Let's see. Yeah, let me put you back over here. And let's put this out. Take this part out. And take the paper out. And let's put the canvas in. Ooh, perfect. And put the canvas in. Ooh, might not. I'm gonna have to really struggle to put these tabbies back in because it's kind of, thick. Anyway, I'll hold it. Here we go. It is in. Look at that. Oh, I love it. That is so cool. That is my little haulage for today. I appreciate you watching. And yeah, so we shall see you again soon. Bye now.